How to remove on Instagram sensitive content reel issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are continuously seeing the sensitive content reel, first of all, you need to tap on CY to understand the reason of the sensitive content. You can tap on see reel if you want to watch the reel despite the content. This way, you can view the contents. However, if you are frequently getting this type of error, you can head over to your settings and activity. Scroll down until you find the option of contents you see or content preferences. Tapping on it, you will see sensitive content option. Tap on it. Now you can choose how much sensitive content you'd like to see. You can select from standard, less or more. Once that is done, you're good to go and you will not see much of such warnings. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.